Hi, I'm Kyla Moore, and I am part of the GenYES team. And today I will show you how to use Google Slides. First, sign into Google. Then go to the top right corner and click on the waffle. Select Drive. Press the plus button that says New. Select Google Slides. To name the slide, go to the top left-hand corner and click on the bar next to the yellow piece of paper. Type your title. It will automatically save to Google Drive. Adding a heading. To add a heading, click on the box on top and type your heading title. Adding text. In the smaller box, you can type more information on the top, from the top, based on the top. When you're done, you can click on the plus button to add a new slide. Similarities between Microsoft Word, Google Slides, and Docs. There are many similarities between Microsoft Word, Google Slides, and Google Docs. For example, you can change the font size, font style, change it to bold, italic, underline it, change the text color, change the highlight color, add a link, add a comment, change the text alignment, change the line spacing, add number list, add bullet list, and add indents. To print your slide, click on the printer and choose your settings. Some options can be in different places. The indents, numbers, and bullets can be in these three dots, but right now they're not, as you can see, because they're out. Differences between Microsoft Word, Google Slides, and Google Docs. There are some differences between Microsoft Word, Google Slides, and Google Docs. The indents, number lists, and bullets can be in the same dots as I showed you, but right now they're not. You can add motion and animation to your slide. Slides tap allows you to copy slides, move slides, delete slides, and change your background. Slide options. To change the background, click on the blank part of the slide where no boxes show up with text in them. The example here. Yes, like all here, but it depends on how big these boxes are. On the bar, there will be a box that says background. Click on that box and click the white circle, but mine's blue because that's the background color. Choose your color and choose your settings. Other slide options. In the same bar as before, there are 3 more buttons. The layout button, changes how the word boxes are placed. The theme button shows different preset backgrounds, fonts, and layouts. Shown. The transition button, you can choose how you want your slides to transition with this button. Other features. Like Google Docs, you can insert pictures by clicking on the box with the mountain in it. But there are more ways to add decorations. Insert shapes by clicking on the button with a square and circle overlapping. Draw a line by clicking on the line next to the square and circle. How to save your work and exit Google Slides. Google Slides will automatically save your document to Google Drive as you are typing, so you don't need to save before you leave. To exit Google Slides, click on the X on the top right of the tab, as shown. How to get back to your project. Open Google, sign in, click on the waffle in the top right, click on Drive, double-click on your document name. How to delete your slide. Delete your slide. Open Google, sign in, click on the waffle, select Drive. You could either drag your slide to the trash category here, or you could double click, go into File, and hit Move to Trash. You can present your slide by clicking on the button here. Now you know the basics of